You're welcome to Smart Infopreneur Academy. In this tutorial, we are looking at designing a website with WordPress. And this is the first video in our video tutorial series. And in this video, I'll be showing you how to install WordPress, the WordPress application on your domain in your hosting account. Then we can pick it from there and see how you can build your website from there. So come with me as we go. Our domain and then our hosting account is GoDaddy. So let's go to the GoDaddy control panel. We already have a domain purchase. So come with me as we go to the GoDaddy control panel. So here is the C panel of the GoDaddy hosting account. And so we want to go down to the software application. So here we are. Now you go to your hosting account C panel and then you can get the software installations here. Here you can see that I have two websites already running on WordPress. So I come here, you can see other software that you can likely install. There are many of them. When you open, you will see more, view more, you will see many more of the software applications. So there you see a lot of them that you can choose from. So we have the community building, content management, and then e-commerce, business, etc., photos, and the file surveys and statistics. So WordPress is a content management system. So here you see it as the number one. Here there are so many others. So we select WordPress. We come to install application. So install application on our domain. It's opening. My internet is quite slow. So here you come here, you select the domain name where you want to install the application. So we click on here and then we come down. The domain name I want to install the WordPress for now is howtolifehacks.com. Howtolifehacks. So here we can choose to install on this domain without the www prefix, or we can choose the www prefix. Or this one, you have the S at the end of the HTTP, indicating that that's a domain with an SSL certificate. So we want to go for this basic one with the www prefix, and then we select it. Then we come down, and then here the administrator username. That's the username you will need to log into the admin dashboard where you can do the editings at the back office. So let's leave it as admin, and then let's go set a password that we can use to log in. So the password, all right, so we see we have a strong password, and then the email where you will receive information about the installation. So I select this one, and then what is our website title? So we say how to life hacks. So that's our website title, how to life hacks. And then the website tagline. So we just say answering we need S here, answering lives how to questions. So that's our tagline, answering lives how to questions. So the how-to questions of life is what we are going to be answering on that website. So I think we are done. Let's just cross-check our information. We are sure that this is the domain name we want to install the software on. How to life hacks, that's the www prefixed, and then the admin username, the password is there, the email address is there, website title, how to life hacks is there, answering lives how to questions is our tagline. All right, we are okay. So we click on install, and then our software takes a few minutes to install. So you can see it's running, and then Depending on the speed of your internet, it should install in just a few minutes. So let's exercise some patience and then wait for it to install. So the installation is still ongoing, and then we hope it will be done in the shortest possible time. So in the meantime, whilst we wait for that installation, let me show you another website I have, and then what we'll be doing. So we'll be doing something like this. We'll know how to select a theme for our website, how you want the website to look like, depending on what type of website you have, and then the menus, how to create the menus that will help you to navigate, create pages, and then create a menu list so that you know how to navigate your website. Let's see whether it installed. Yep, I think the installation is done. All right, so here we are. How to Life Hacks is installed successfully on our domain name. So you have the domain URL, and then this is the website URL. When we click here, it will take us to the new website, and then this is the URL to the admin panel. So you can see it's different, a little different. You have WordPress admin. So when you click that one, it will take you to the admin panel. So let's click this one and go to the website, and then come back and click this. It will take us to the admin panel or the dashboard where we can do the editing. We can change the theme, and then we can install plugins and the applications, etc., etc. So here we don't need any wizard, so it will take us to the dashboard. But meanwhile, let's look at how. So this is basically the default website, hello world. So that is a greeting to the world, indicating that another WordPress website has just been created, and then they are creating the world. So that is the name of our, or the title of our website, How to Life Hacks, and this is the tagline, answering life's how to questions. All right, so the dashboard is loaded. So here is our back office. This is called the admin dashboard, and that's where we do a lot of stuff. You can write your first blog post here. You can add pages, the about page. You can view your site from here. You can manage widgets and menus. You can turn comments on or off, and then you can learn more by getting started. So on the left side of the panel, you can see a list here. So you have the home page of the panel, and then you have updates if there are any updates of the maybe plugins and stuff like that. You see there. So you see the blog posts. All your posts will appear here. If you want to add a new post, you can click here and add media, links, pages. If you want to add new pages, which we'll be looking at very soon, either in another tutorial. And then you come to the appearance. You can do editing of your theme, etc. So here, let's install a new theme, and then we'll be done for this video. In subsequent videos, we'll look at how to add pages. So here we have 3 default themes installed, but I need a particular theme which I want to install, which is not already installed as a default. So you come to add new here, and then you select, or the name, you choose the name. Here there will be a drop down of several of them, but I'm looking for a particular one, Astra. So I'm looking for a theme called Astra. So I type in the name in the search box there, and then wait for the search to find me that. All right, so there you are. So what I do is I install it. I install that theme. So the installation is ongoing. We wait for it for a few minutes. It will soon be done. So you can choose any theme at all, depending on what type of website you are creating, what the subject matter. So it's installed, and then you activate. Once you activate, it will change the theme there. So here you see, look at the nature of the site, our theme, new theme, Astra has been installed and then it has been activated, it means the website now is going to run with this theme. All our design will be based on that theme. So you refresh the page and then you see the interface has changed. Now you have the blog title or the website title here. We can do the customization if we want the tagline to come into come. So you can see that there is a sidebar at the right hand here, and then you have a copyright information with our website title, copyright 2019 how to life hacks. This is a splendid theme. I love it. I've used it to create other websites. So that is it. Thanks for watching. In the next video, so we have only one default page here, which is the about page. In the next video, I'll be showing you how to create pages and then maybe how to create your first post in the website. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next tutorial.